Welcome back to the channel where we explore the latest and most exciting cars redefining the roads. Today, we're diving into a car that's making waves in the EV world, the 2025 MG Cyberster. Stick around as we unravel what makes this electric roadster a true game changer. Let's get straight into it. The MG Cyberster is MG's bold move into the electric sports car market. Its design screams futuristic, blending classic roadster aesthetics with modern EV flair. The low-slung body, sleek curves, and scissor doors create a jaw-dropping first impression. It's not just a car, it's a statement on wheels. The sharp LED headlights and aerodynamic profile are crafted for both style and performance, ensuring it turns heads wherever it goes. Under the hood, well, figuratively speaking, this electric beast packs serious power. With dual electric motors, it delivers up to 536 horsepower and can accelerate from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. The Cyberster isn't just fast, it's efficient, offering a range of approximately 310 miles on a full charge. Perfect for both city cruising and weekend getaways, it's equipped with cutting-edge battery technology to keep range anxiety at bay. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit designed for the future. The minimalist interior is dominated by a massive curved display that merges the instrument cluster and infotainment system. Everything is driver-focused, ensuring an immersive experience whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising on the highway. The Cyberster's steering yoke adds a futuristic touch, giving it a race car-like feel, while the premium materials and ambient lighting scream luxury. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. MG has loaded the Cyberster with advanced driver assistance systems. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking ensure you're not just driving fast, but also staying safe. The car also supports over-the-air updates, meaning your Cyberster will stay up to date with the latest tech enhancements. Of course, the big question, how much does this slice of the future cost? While pricing details vary by market, the Cyberster is expected to start at a competitive rate for its segment, making it a tempting option for those looking to combine luxury, performance, and sustainability. In summary, the 2025 MG Cyberster is more than just a car. It's a glimpse into the future of electric sports cars, offering incredible performance, eye-catching design, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're an enthusiast or just someone who loves innovative design, the Cyberster has something to offer. That's it for today's video. If you found this deep dive into the MG Cyberster interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. We've got plenty more car reviews and automotive insights coming your way, so hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.